I'm gonna feed my chickens a $50 salad. 29 degrees on the homestead today, and we're gonna give these girls right here a little taste of heaven. As you can see here, we got 2 hens getting it done. These are microgreens, folks. They got 40 times more nutrients than their fully grown vegetable counterparts. As you can see, these chickens run to it, they flock to it, they love it. It's very nutritious, it's healthy. That's why all of their feathers are just absolutely shining. There's just a sheen with those chickens. And let me tell you something, from one good old boy to another, all my brothers and sisters, get yourself an opportunity to get some land, raise yourself some chickens, be a little bit more self-sufficient. You guys want to be in a comfortable situation when the world gets uncomfortable.